Hello guys! For today's video, finally nagyud ko sa balay. Nauli na ko gikan sa work. As you can see, nag-shower na ko. So, nagluto na ko dinner guys. Ang dinner ni Daddy Love kay beef steak, kay like steak. And then nag-fried sad ko og kanang king prawn o niya tuna. So, mao na ang result sa hamisan nga product guys. Iyan ang gitangtang ang ako ang mga dead skin sa liog. Ayan, hello. Nagbutang na ko og hamisan. So hapit na siya natangtang guys. So mga 4 weeks na ni 4 days since naggamit ko guys onya. While I'm here, I have my new lights. Wow, magical fortune of the world. Beautiful. Then I show you there guys. So naluto ng steak ni Daddy Love and salad. I make a steak and salad and carrots. So naapog ko giluto pa dire Wow. Dali ra kayo ako nang gibutangag cheese o kanang gamay nga brown sugar. Yeah, tamis man ni siya guys. O nya karon kay si Daddy Love dili man siya hilig sa prawn. Ako lang unya naapog ko tuna akong gi-fried para tomorrow for food, my food going to work. And of course, may salin pa nga pagkaon nga corn rice. Yan, marami pa. So, ito na lang ang anuhan ko. Dinner namin. So, beautiful. Awesome kayo guys ang amo ang dinner. So, that's life. Mag-dinner ta. Magkuha ko juice. As you can see, juice na daily juice. So, yes. That's life, guys. After sa work. Pag uli sa balay, magsikay-sikay kitang panihapon. Kay kinahanglan man tang mukaon. Ayun, guys. Simpre diri, guys. Hot na diri. So, ayun, hot man diri guys. So, nagkuan ako guys kanang pagka sleeveless na kanganhi kay kuan man kanang summer na. So, even summer ang kuan diri guys, ang weather pa gihapon mabuntag. Inigmata na ko, magready ko going sa work. Tugnaw paghihapon inigawas na ko. So, dili lang tamo kumpiyansa sa mga hangin-hangin. Keep safe always. So, God bless you guys. Happy Merry Christmas. I have my magical miracles lights for Christmas and New Year. Beautiful. Shout out sa inyong tanan. Hello. Yes. I have prawn and fish tuna. So, can I have pork love? Like and spoon? Yes. Hungry na my love.
You want Coke or you want orange juice?
I think I like Coke. Did you go out for buy Coke more today?
Yesterday I did.
Oh, that's you very lonesome. That's why I love you, you lonesome lullaby.
Yeah, I had to buy some body wash and some hair and some conditioner.
So, see, beautiful the lights. Inspiring day, inspiring the lights. Beautiful Christmas. So, prawn, Sugpo nga dako, guys. Prawn. That's my nickname. Dalang ko mag-juice kay nagdama. You bring a Coke. Wow. A video here. Put here. Corn rice. Nice. How it looks like taste the steak.
Yeah, good. Have some.
Can you slice it small?
Yeah, you slice some.
That's good. You want I take off the skin, the prawn?
No.
You don't like? Nice on. Look good. Thank you. Wow. That's your request today, huh? A steak.
And an egg. I wanted an egg with it.
But I think it's more.
This is
Maybe
what-
egg tomorrow na lang. It's okay?
Yeah, I'll cook a steak tomorrow and an egg for my lunch.
Yeah. I marinate first the steak, okay? Then you can put in oven. So you feel nice lunch. I bring my tuna one slice tomorrow. My lunch. Wow, the salad is so nice. Nice, yeah?
Not really.
Okay. Okay, guys. It is me, guys. Thank you for watching.